Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I actually wanted to do something a little bit different. I wanted to do quick reviews on certain products. I definitely want to do a video on multiple items that I use every single day on the daily, but in today's video I wanted to do a specific item just because I feel like it kind of deserves its own spotlight, and that is my 6 keyring holder. I am so in love with it. I use it every day. It could be used for men and for women. I purchased this in Seattle when I went back home to visit family. We went downtown Seattle, and that was when I got it. I figured I might as well get it in Seattle because the tax rate is 9.5 over there versus here in Tennessee is 11.5. I feel like this is like one of the best purchases in 2019 that I got because there are a lot of things that I definitely regret purchasing. But anyways, let's just dive into the video and get started. Here is the cute little bag that it comes with. I use it for decor in my lash room. Here is the actual box that it comes in. So here is what the box looks like. It's so cute. It's not one of those flap open. It actually pulls out this way. Such a beautiful box. I actually use this for my Christmas tree. I pretend like these are presents and I put them under the tree so it looks like an expensive Christmas. Yeah, this is the box that it comes in, and you just open it up, and here is the wallet. I just stuck it in here just to kind of go with it. Here is the 6 keyring holder. This is the dust bag that it comes in. I also received the receipt that came in a rectangular envelope, but I have them stored away. And I guess what I found out was that this is also a receipt, so if I had an issue with it or whatever, I could probably return it and this would be like my proof of receipt or whatever. But this is like the barcode. I don't know if you could see. Don't try to scan it. Just playing. And then it comes with this coated fabric cowhide leather lining. It's a nice little pouch that you could store if you're not using it or whatever. You can also use this for just to protect it in your purse, because I did see a lot of reviews on the outer lining coming apart, so I definitely have been careful with that. Isn't that cute? It's so cute. I am not one of those luxury experts where I know, like, you know, how this is supposed to be authentic and it's supposed to have something over here in the stitching and the lining. I don't really know those things, so I just wanted to review on like the ease of it, you know? Okay, so here is what the wallet looks like. This color that I chose, I think there are a few different colors that you can choose from. The gold detailing, this one is fuchsia, and I think there was a light pink one and a couple other colors also. I chose fuchsia because that was the only color that they had at the store, and I really wanted it right away. I didn't want to order it. I felt like if I would have gotten the light pink one, it probably would have gotten dirty. I actually am happy with the color that I chose, which is a fuchsia color. So here is what the 6 keyring holder looks like. Obviously there are 6 key slots in here. There's a slot in here for all of your, you know, method of payments and your photo ID. I've noticed on the outer lining that it is kind of coming apart, and I got this in, I believe it was August. I don't know. I'm gonna have to call the Louis Vuitton store and see what they suggest or what they offer as far as getting it fixed, if it's free or not, because I know, you know, if it hasn't been quite a year, that's the only bad thing. So if you do choose to get one of these, definitely be careful with them, because yeah, this part right here, this part is the part that seems like it's kind of peeling apart. This retails for $250 US. I know that is expensive, and I could probably get something else that is a lot cheaper that is exactly the same thing. I do plan on collecting luxury items and then having them for resale. The price of these things just keep going up and up and up. Like this one right here, this Pochette Métis, it used to be I think $18.30, and now they're $22.30. So they keep going up in their prices. So, you know, this is definitely an investment. peace. Just think about that when you think about, dang, I'm spending a lot of money. You know what I mean? It is so universal. I feel like the key things that you take with you when you go to the store, doctor's appointments, grocery store, out shopping, whatever, is your car keys. I don't have a house key because I go in through my garage. Like who has house keys now? I don't have a mailbox key, but if I did, I would have that in here. I would just say it would be your method of payment and then your ID. You can also fold up some cash and stick it in here also, but I rarely ever carry cash, and if I do, it's actually in my purse. So if you look right here, there are these little lever mechanisms. I don't know really what they are, but you basically push it and then you can push out your key. So let's say I am going to get an oil change and I need to give the guy my key, or if I'm valet parking somewhere and I need to give the guy my key, I will literally take it out like that and then just give him the key so I don't have to give him my whole wallet. So that's why I like having my key fob as the first one so that I can take it out. And here is my car key. It is a Cadillac CT6. Next is this little holder that I got from the Swarovski store for my birthday. It was a free gift, so I actually really like it. It's so blingy. Here is my Cosmoprof. Like you can, I don't know what these scanner things are called, but they're like mini cards. And also you can take them all the way out like this, and there you go. So then you can kind of reorganize it to however you like. I don't like to really have a lot of things. Like if I'm a club member or whatever, a lot of times if I go to Publix or whatever, I can just type in my number and use it. But my Cosmoprof card, it's a professional beauty supply store, so I do have to kind of have this so that they can scan it. I like the fact that I can not even have this. Like I don't even need this. If I'm the type that just wants to use it as a wallet, I probably could. Inside of here is where the actual serial number is for proof of authenticity. It's in there because I was, you know, wondering where it was. And so yeah, it's on the inside at the top. Oh no, it's at the bottom. You see how it's very spacious? So it's meant to hold a lot more than usual, I guess. But here it is. It's so pretty. It says made in France. And the button is fuchsia. And it's so cute. So I'm just gonna put my key situation back on. I'm very simple. I like to have all my stuff very simple like. So I'm gonna put the key fob here, and then, whoa. Why are you doing this to me when I'm recording? You're making it difficult. Okay, so there is that. I'm gonna stick my holder on the other end, okay? And my Cosmoprof I'll put here. And this is my other card that I need. And then I'm just gonna stick the two empty ones in here. I don't really have anything else that I need to put in there, so I just leave it in there. And then to put it back inside of the wallet, you simply bend it and then stick it back in, and then you'll hear like a click like that. And then you know it's secured on. I don't know if you could see this little rip. Bummer. Yeah, I'm gonna have to call and see what they can do. I know it's wear and tear, but you know what? Your girl only had it for 6 months, so that is not acceptable. Okay, I have 4 cards, so here is the thickness of my cards. And it fits perfectly in here. It's basically 2 IDs, my military ID and then my driver's license, and then 2 method of payments. I'm actually gonna start putting my Cash App card in here because my sister was telling me that you get cash back on certain things. You could save $1 off of coffee. Like, that adds up. $1 a day, and there's like 10% off at Popeyes and Sonic and all these fast food restaurants you can save 10% off of. So I might start putting my Cash App card in here too. But I feel like it'll fit if I do decide to put it in there. It is so convenient for me, and I'm all about, you know, simple. Like I go places, if I go to the grocery store, like I go to Sam's Club or Costco, I can literally just bring my Costco card in here or my Sam's Club card in here and then get what I need to get. I don't need to carry this around. And it's so awesome because this can easily just go inside. I always put it in the front part of my purse so I can easily grab it if I need to. I have a wallet, but I have so many things in there that I really don't need. It helps me not use like my credit cards and stuff too. So, you know, hey, if you're trying to get better in 2020, get your finances straight, girl. Get one of these, then you won't get tempted to use your credit card when you go to the store. You know what I'm saying. If you got a gift card from Valentine's Day or whatever, or if you didn't get your Valentine's Day gift, or if your birthday's coming up, tell him that you want one of these, because when you think about it, balloons and chocolates and flowers and all that will literally add up to this. So just do it. It's worth it, and it's definitely something that you won't regret. I personally don't like the 4 key ring holders, so I would invest in, you know, the extra $75 or whatever that it cost and just end up getting this, because this is something I use every day. It's actually something that I use more than my actual purse. You know, especially when I go to the gym. Oh my gosh, this is like heaven, because I have my ID with me and all I need to do is scan my ID, my key. That's it. I'm gonna work on making a video for this purse because I've had it for about 7 months now. And so I kind of want to do a video on, you know, an updated review. Stay tuned for that, my friends. Everybody be careful. It's Mercury retrograde season until the 4th of March. So be careful with, you know, finances. Be careful with signing contracts on things. Be careful driving, be careful making flights, missing flights, technology issues. Actually, there's going to be a lot of social media issues that they're saying also, but it is Pisces season, and so it's not going to be as harsh, because there's Mercury retrograde that is 3 times a year, and this one is supposed to be the easiest situation. It's just a crazy retrograde, because right now I am feeling it. The people that are around me are feeling it too, and I'm seeing it. But yeah, that's pretty much all for today's video. I hope you guys like these quick reviews on certain items. This product actually deserves its own spotlight, so in my next video I may look around the house and see some things that I use every day, and if they're worth making a video on, then I will definitely do it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so close to 1K, and help me get there. Subscribe please, and share my video, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye bye. Here is my 6 key ring holder, and this is my key fob. It is a Cadillac CT6, and I have all of these where I can put things in. And then look, this is where I put my method of payment, and I absolutely love it. It says Louis Vuitton right here. And then it says made. Oops. It says made in France, Louis Vuitton. And I love it. It's so easy to go, you know. Like I just close it and then I